Hi, this is the Welcome, this is the OnePlus Pad and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. Open first the settings application, then tap to the sound section and you'll see here the live captions. You could turn them on or turn them off. To activate and turn off the silent mode, by use the switcher. To use the don't disturb mode, by the switcher. To turn it on, turn it off. To set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to allow the calls, messages, or notifications from many people or apps, and to silence also the media in don't disturb mode. Let's go back. Here we got media, ring, notification, and alarm sound volume panels. We could switch the volumes by swipe to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. We could switch the notification sound to activate and turn off the Dolby items. In tone section, we could activate and turn off the dial pad sound, screen lock and lock sound, screenshot sound, deletion, and touch sounds just by use all of the switchers. And in more section, we could switch volume button function to change the ringtone with the help of the volume buttons or the medias, and also to switch the default device from external device to this one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.